Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Cazal sunglasses model 9102 in color code 001. The color of the frame is black. And the lenses are gray gradient. On its temple are protective sleeves to make sure the glasses don't get scratched or damaged. On its top left lens, you'll find the Cazal logo in gold engraved. The temples are black, and you'll also find the Cazal logo in gold. This is the inside of the frame, and both temples are the same. On its inner right temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 61 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. On its inner left temple, it says that it's made in Germany and that it's gold plated. The glasses also come with a Cazal hard case, a Cazal dust bag, a black Cazal cleaning cloth, a Cazal booklet, and a Cazal authenticity card. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.